Mustakayo and good morning from the city center of Puerto Galera. Today we are going to check out the local Tukuran Fall or Tukuran Falls. It's gonna be an hour drive. We just bought some water for the ride, gonna have a little breakfast, and then we will leave with the guys from the hostel, and I'll bring you along. And let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if we'll make it, and hopefully it's gonna be nice. Hopefully it's not raining. It's quite cloudy today, but yeah, let's see. So we got some fuel yesterday, and hopefully our little angel star will bring us to the falls. Fingers crossed. Okay, we're gonna grab some breakfast here at this Bayview coffee place. A nice cute dog. Hello. Before we leave. So we ordered 2 Nutella waffles, and look at this place. Beautiful sea view. What a breakfast. Almonds, Nutella with this view. Amazing. And let's go! So we just came from this road here and saw this on the side. I have my beautiful helmet, but it's not even the waterfalls we wanted to see. It's some random normal waterfall here on the island. Just beautiful. Hello. And we will continue this way. Woohoo! So beautiful here. So we need to grab some lunch, and then we'll continue. This is what? Hopia?
Hopia.
What is on top here? It's cheese or cream?
Pork.
Pork? Really?
Chippy.
Okay. So we're gonna take this one probably, right? We're gonna try this one. It's also 25. And some banana. So we've got our lunch, some bananas, some pastries, and this one here, which is supposed to be with pork. This thing I'm gonna try. I don't understand where the pork is, but the consistency is it's interesting. It's sweet, and I guess this one here is egg, but it's good. It's very good actually. And some very small bananas. Hello. Look at this. Rice fields, palm trees, a lot of coconuts there. How beautiful. So we made it to the waterfalls, and now we need to continue by foot.
the Wang Wang Gang. You know what? We're gonna go to my. Another fruit? Yeah, another fruit.
Cacao trees here. Palm trees. Also Lanzones trees.
Small.
Can we have that?
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice. You can go up there and swim in here, and it's absolutely beautiful. We've made it to the falls. We're really in the jungle here. So cool. So beautiful. So after 30 minutes we made it to this spot, and now we're going for a swim. Nice. Oh, that's so good.
I love it. Well, they're so fresh.
Oh my god.
The currents are strong.
Let's go to the current. We had a very nice swim, and now we're going to the first spot where you can also jump in the water. So yeah, let's see. Oh, it's so amazing, and there's actually no other tourists. That's the jumping spot. We can jump from here into the blue water. So good. We had some fun, and now before it gets dark we need to head home. We are now going home to our scooters, and then it's once again a 1 hour drive, probably also in the dark, but yeah, we had an amazing, really amazing day at the falls, and in this really stunning and beautiful nature. A lot of fruit trees. We tried rambutan, there was cacao trees, banana trees, lanzones, really everything. A lot of animals, pigs, chickens, dogs. Yeah, we had an amazing time. I'll finish the vlog here for today. See you tomorrow for the next one. Bye bye.